Today in AI, Anthropic restores Fable 5 after US, plus 3 more stories that actually matter. No fluff, no filler. Here's exactly what happened and why it matters. Anthropic restored access to Claude Fable 5 after US export controls were lifted. The US government applied export controls to Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5 on June 12. Anthropic will make Fable 5 available to users globally on the Claude platform starting July 1. Fable 5 will be included for up to 50% of weekly usage limits for Pro, Max, Team, and select enterprise plans. Access to Fable 5 matters to builders as it allows them to use the model for up to 50% of their weekly usage limits through July 7. Story 2. Researchers introduced imaginative perception tokens to enhance spatial reasoning in multimodal language models. The paper constructs datasets of approximately 20K examples with ground truth imaginations and answers. The unified VLM bagel is used as the backbone to study this capability. This technology affects builders of vision language models who need to improve spatial reasoning. It matters to these builders because IPT supervision can improve accuracy and produce interpretable representations. Story 3. Researchers introduced Humanoid-GPT for whole body control. The model was pre-trained on a 2B frame retargeted corpus. Humanoid-GPT is a GPT-style transformer with causal attention. This model affects builders of motion tracking systems. It matters to them because it enables robust zero-shot generalization to unseen tasks. Story 4. Researchers introduced a sleep paradigm for large language models to continually learn. The paradigm consists of 2 stages, including memory consolidation and dreaming. Memory consolidation involves a knowledge seeding process using generalized distillation. This affects builders of machine learning algorithms and operators of language models. It matters because it enables continual learning and knowledge incorporation without human supervision. Tomorrow, we break down the next AI moves that matter for builders. Subscribe so you don't